In today's session, Dr. Renata Borba, who currently leads the Alberta Tech Transfer team at the Alberta Beekeepers Commission, will delve into a fascinating topic: social and individual immunity in bees.
And you know that bees are social organisms. As a social organism, they have a very complex way in which they maintain health. So they have their individual immune system, but they also have chemical secretions that play an important role on how bees maintain health in the hive. They have spatial organization that's very important. We know about nurse bees, we know about foragers, and how they change their location in the hive depending on their age. So that is very important for them as well, and how they maintain health in the colony. Physical barrier is one of them. They also have behavioral defenses. The honeybee's natural defense mechanisms and how they can maintain health using natural defense mechanisms. And they have these two levels of immune defense: the individual immunity and the social immunity. At the individual level, honeybees rely on some basic immune response, such as the production of synthesis of antimicrobial peptides or the encapsulation of pathogens by hemocytes. Hemocytes are blood cells that are in the honeybee blood. And it's very similar to human immunity, but they also have other immune defenses that we call the social immunity. Social immunity is when they use natural defense mechanisms to defend the colony from pathogens and parasites. We have hygienic behavior. This is a defense mechanism of bees, and those bees, they're more sensitive. They can detect when the brood is sick, and they will remove that sick brood from the hive at an early stage of that infection, so the infection does not spread as quickly. So those bees are called hygienic bees because they maintain the hive clean by removing infected brood. We have also grooming behavior, which is a behavior where one bee will either remove a parasite from another bee by grooming it, or they can also do that on themselves and remove that parasite from their body. So that's also a social immune behavior.